Summer is officially here, and I'm going to share with you guys a get ready with me look, including a makeup tutorial showing you guys some of my favorite makeup products in partnership with Lottie London and Ciate London, as well as the curls you guys always ask for in a tutorial and a really cute outfit. I have not done a get ready with me video in a while, so I'm so excited to do one. Let's put our hair back. Before I begin any makeup, I make sure my face is clean and I have a moisturizer on. And then we're going to begin with our eyes, and we're going to prime them using the Sigma eyeshadow base primer. And then I'm going to reach for one of my favorite palettes lately has been the Aspen Ovard and Tarte collaboration palette. And I'm using the shade Tea Time, and I'm just going to put that one shade all over my eye, and then I'm going to make sure to blend it in really well. Then I'm going to go in with my brow pencil, and I'm going to intensify my eyebrows a little bit more, shape them up. They are microbladed, so they're pretty well groomed, but I just like to go over it and make it like fade out a little bit more so it goes well together with the rest of my makeup look. And then to clean up anything that didn't get blended as well up to the brow bone, I like to use the shade Married Life, and then I'll blend it up so it looks a little bit more even. To anyone who has trouble with wing liner and one thicker than the other, this is the product for you. This is the Lottie London stamp liner, and on one side of this eyeliner there's a stamp, which is so cool, and I tried it out and it works really well. It gives you a very even line, which you can intensify if you'd like, or you could just use as a guide to line the rest of your eye. And then on the other side of the dual end liner, it just has a regular felt tip liner, which you can use to do the rest of your liner. It is so easy. These are available for a limited time at Ulta stores and at Ulta.com. I'll have links down below where you guys can find them, because I also have different kinds of liners with different stamps, and it's pretty fun to play around with them. I'm going to quickly add on some false lashes, and I like to keep them in this container from the dollar store. I found it really useful when I want to reuse my lashes after I clean them after a different wear. And next I'm going to dot my foundation all over my face and then use a sponge to blend it all in. That way I can control how much foundation is on my face and I don't put too much, or I'm able to control the coverage a lot better than if I was just to add it directly to the sponge. And then I can go ahead and blend it all in. Next step is concealer, which I use to brighten underneath my eyes. I use it to contour my nose and also to brighten underneath my nose, because I get really dark spots underneath there because it gets really dry. And so I'm gonna go ahead and blend that all in as well, and then slowly contour my nose up and then into my forehead. And then to set that all in, I like to use the Mercier translucent powder, and I'll add that all over where I just added the concealer. That way it doesn't crease and it doesn't budge. I don't let the powder set in for too long, aka bake on my face. As soon as I'm done doing this, I'll grab a big fluffy brush and I'll sweep it away, because then it will set on my face and it'll look white, especially in pictures. I don't know why my skin does this, but I've noticed that that was a problem, and I was able to fix it by not letting it sit for too long. Now, I don't use a cream contour stick anymore. I just use powder bronzer to contour my face, and I just add that to like my cheekbones, my forehead, my temples, and then also I bring it down to my neck. I'm going to finish off the rest of my eyes, and this brush is from e.l.f. It was only $1. It's one of my favorites, and I just added a little bit of the Fix Plus, and then from the Aspen Ovard palette I grabbed the Heart of Gold and I put that underneath, and then on the edges I put Road Trip, which is a darker brown. And that way it'll like tie together all of your eye look, and it looks really pretty. I wanted some kind of shimmer in there because it's going to match my lipstick. Just wait and see. I can't wait to show you guys the lip product. Since I have the false lashes on, I want to match the lower lashes and also create a lot of volume so it looks even. So I'm going to reach for the Ciate London Wonder Wand Mascara, and I put about 3 coats on the bottom of the lashes, which helps separate them really well. And then also to attach both my lashes together with the falsies, I'll add a couple coats on top, and it really gives you that dramatic full volume look. For the blush, I'm reaching back into that palette that I used for my eyes, and I'm going to grab the blush in Made You Blush and add that to the apples of my cheeks. For that perfect summer glow, I'm going to reach for the Lottie London Shimmer Squad highlighter palette, and this is the shade The Good Girl. and it is so vibrant and so pretty. I absolutely loved it. With just that one swatch, I picked up a little bit too much, but it was really intense and I love the way that it looks. So I just tapped some off, and I'm also bringing it up to my brow bone. That way it looks nice and even. And then I grabbed a smaller brush and I also added that to the inner corner of my eyes, but I went in with a different shade. This is the Troublemaker, and that one really stands out. I couldn't wait to do the lipstick for this tutorial because I was dying to use these lipsticks. They're new from Ciate London, and they're glitter flip matte lipsticks, and it's really cool. I've never seen any product like this. And what you do is you apply one coat evenly on your lips, you let it dry for several seconds, and then once it's dry, you pucker your lips together and it reveals shimmer underneath. So it's full on glitter. It's so pretty and it's so subtle that it looks great for an everyday look. But if you want something a little bit more dramatic, then I would go for like a different shade, like the pink one. That one really contrasts against the shimmer, and it looks really cool for pool parties or music festivals. If you're interested, they're available at Sephora. Moving on to our hair, I'm going to let this little bun out, and it's a little chaotic. This is second day hair, so we're gonna need a little help here from our friend Dry Shampoo, and I'm just going to apply that all over the top of my head, and then I'm gonna spread it all throughout my hair. I get so many questions on how I curl my hair when I have it down like this, and it's super simple. All you need is a curling iron that's 1.5 inches with a clamp on it. That way you can straighten the top of your hair. If you have any frizz or if you have any crinks in your hair, you can smooth that out, and then simply just curl the bottom of your hair, and it gives you big luscious curls at the bottom. It's my go-to hairstyle. And now for the outfit, I'm just gonna go into my closet, and this is one of my favorite pieces for the summer. It is from Toby.com. I love it. It's so comfortable, and it's also sexy because it has that slit down your leg, and the fabric is just so airy and so comfortable for the summertime. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will have links down below where you guys can find all of the products that I mentioned in this video, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Muchos besos. Mwah.